this is what you need to be for Halloween if you have red hair. So stay tuned. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How are you? My name is Annabelle and I am so excited because on my channel we are going to be doing some Halloween costume ideas if you dyed your hair red or if you are a natural redhead. Basically, this is what you need to be for Halloween if you have red hair. So stay tuned. I'm so excited about this video because I kind of brainstormed this whole idea and all the costumes I want to cover while we were traveling, and I'm so excited to finally be able to jump into it. Today's redhead character is Poison Ivy. I literally cannot get over the costume, the hair, the makeup, the everything. So we're gonna do it together and do the transformation. I'm gonna show you where I got my costume. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do my hair, do my makeup. It's not gonna be anything too crazy and you guys can adapt it to however is easiest for you. But I will be using hair extensions. These will be the Bellamy extensions in Spiced Crimson, and they just add some vibrance. They're a little bit more vibrant than my hair, but they're actually not too much more vibrant than my hair. But for a costume, this is actually perfect because Poison Ivy has like fire truck red hair. And then I'm deciding if I'm going to use this or not depending on how it looks, but I have these like Bellamy red side swept bangs because Poison Ivy has like a side part curls, and I got a costume. We're gonna do makeup, lashes, the whole thing. So stay tuned if you're interested in seeing how I recreated Poison Ivy. This is one of the ones I've been really looking forward to, so I've got high hopes. So first things first, we're literally gonna jump in and install these clip-in extensions. My hair already has a slight wave to it, but I'm probably gonna wave it again. So I'm just gonna take some of these clips and kind of just install your hair if you have any extensions, because it always just adds a little bit of an extra oomph to a look, but just install it however you like to. I usually do like two clips and then a couple 3 clips from the set. I love Bellamy hair, and I have a discount code with them as well, which will be linked below in case you decide you want to buy from them. So I'm just going to begin installing these.
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4.
So now that all the hair is in, I ended up doing 2 clips and 3 clips. I'm actually gonna wave my hair. My hair already has some wave to it, so I figure I'm just gonna go with that. This is the Bellamy waver. I just plugged it in and I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on to 360 and it's just gonna begin heating up. And we're gonna wave our hair and then we will do makeup. Also using some heat protectant. This one is by Bumble and I love it, and you can spray it onto dry hair, which is great too. Yay!
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
So now my hair is waved enough. We are going to be doing our makeup. I'll put some inspo pictures on the screen right now. Mostly it revolves for me around a bright red lip, so I have a few lipsticks here. One of these is from Sephora and Primark. They're both old, but mostly like a bright red lip, and then green eyeshadow, which I don't actually have a lot of green eyeshadow, but I do have this Earth and Ocean, literally look how gross it is, Earth and Ocean Elf palette, and there's a few green shades in it, which I think will be perfect for what I need to do. So we're just going to do a really simple, basically green eyeshadow look. I've got some lashes I'm going to put on. These are the Bellamy synthetic lashes in Saintly. They're super cute. So we're gonna do our makeup. She doesn't necessarily, the character in original sense, like have a lot of blush on and stuff. I have some on from earlier today, but we're just gonna do our makeup. I'm really excited. It's gonna be so cute. I'm just gonna begin putting a spruced up that super green shade all over my lid and seeing where it takes me. This is fun. This is why I love Halloween costumes, because you can be as like creative as you want, which is like the best part. I'm such a creative person, so it's just so fun. So we're just gonna begin blending that all over our lid.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Because I am gonna clean it up. I put spruced up all over my lid, and now I'm taking Sahara, which is this like glittery green shade, and I'm rubbing it under my eye, but then I'm actually like putting it quite far underneath my eye just to create that extra creative Poison Ivy vibe. And I think I'm also going to take this sparkly green shade and put it on my lid as well. I'm literally already obsessed. It's just so fun. I feel like something like Poison Ivy is literally up for your interpretation.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna
is taking a little concealer to kind of clean up and sharpen this edge, which literally I look like I'm putting on a freaking face mask. Oh my gosh. But it just will help brighten up the green and keep it a bit cleaner, and it just kind of covers any like contour I had on too, which is actually kind of nice, so that the eyes and the lips can just super pop. Okay, so now I'm taking lashes that look like this. These are from Bellamy. They're in the style Saintly, and they give me all the like ethereal type of vibes, which I feel like Poison Ivy, she's not a fairy, but I don't know, she kind of just has like some of that magic, I feel like, in her character. I don't know, guys. Don't cancel me in the comments if that's not even remotely correct, but I feel like lashes will pull this together, because when you're wearing an eye look like this, I feel like you need a little bold lash. So I'm just putting the Duo lash glue on this. I'll let them sit until they get tacky, and I will put them on.
Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation.
They are drying on my eyeball, and I'm just gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes. This is the Rimmel mascara Thrill Seeker, literally my favorite mascara ever. I want the mascara to be like thick, so I'm taking this side of it versus like that, and really rubbing it in those bottom ones. Just really give these eyes some extra interest. Okay, I'm obsessed, guys. It's looking so good. Okay, now I'm gonna take this like very like bright red colored lip liner. This is from the store Primark in the UK, but use anything that you can find. And then I'm going to be taking probably the mix of this Sephora red lipstick, which, let me see if this even has a shade or a brand. This thing is so old. I'm pretty sure my friend gave this to me. But we're going bright, and that is the vibe. So I'm gonna line it, put the lipstick on, and then we will be close to done. We just have a few other details we'll need to finish off.
Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control, and the steps you take them.
It looks so good. Okay, I feel like the next thing I want to do is actually make my eyebrows like kind of super red. They were colored recently and they look great, but I feel like I want to take this palette. This is by Morphe. It is the Happy Hour palette, and it's got a lot of warm red shades, and I think I might take Snap, which is this shade, maybe mix it with like Wingman or Bottoms Up, which are just like really red shades, and fill them in, just because my hair is not fire truck red, but Poison Ivy's eyebrows would be super red. So
pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up.
I know it looks crazy, but I feel like for the costume, it made sense. You know what I mean? Okay, we're literally pretty much done. I think the last thing I want to do, sorry, I'm getting my phone set up, is I think I want to take a little bit of that green shimmery shade Sahara and like put it on my collarbones, because my dress thing I'm putting on it is like sleeveless, so I think that would look super cool. So we're
Easy, yo. I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm not
cute. Cute. Cute, 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 cute. Guys, I'm like, do I feel like my best self as Poison Ivy? Possibly, possibly. Guys, so I parted my hair like to the side because I want to use this side bang from Bellamy. And it's just in the shade red, I believe. Like, this is just red. And I'm gonna put it in, and we're gonna like wave it. And I might need to finish waving my hair, so we're gonna put it in, clip it in literally just like this to the side, which looks a bit crazy, but it just adds that whole like character feel that like my normal hair doesn't really have. You don't need this, but it is actually quite fun, and I almost feel like it's a great, if you even don't want to spend money on the extensions, this would be a great little purchase because it's not as expensive, but it gives you that like feel I feel like we need. So we're gonna put her in and
the
finish
times I'm
it.
barely breathing though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws.
This is so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna take my little like Denman brush and kind of fluff up my hair just to be like kind of big and messy. You could curl your hair, you could wave it, whatever. I think her hair normally is curled, but I just like kind of wanted to wave it because I thought it would look kind of cool. And then we're gonna hairspray it. I'm gonna take, by the way, my Unite hairspray. This is the flexible, brushable, workable. I have a code with them too. They're the best, but it's got good hold, which I appreciate. Look at these freaking bangs, y'all. I'm actually obsessed. Guys, it's time to go put on the costume. This costume is from Amazon. It's on Prime. I'm linking it on my storefront in case you guys want to buy it. I'm not going to show it to you until I have it on because that's just the whole experience. So I'll be back once I'm in full costume. All right, you guys, I am in the costume. I'm going to stand up slowly. So this is a dress that came with this headpiece and these gloves, which is literally so freaking cute and like so many Poison Ivy vibes. I'm gonna go sit over there, hold on. So I also got these from Amazon. They're like these strap ivy tights. They were separate, not necessarily because you do have all this ivy on this dress, but I love the combination of the two together. It just makes it that much more extra. But this is the finished result, so you can kind of get the idea of the outfit. Seriously, so cute. I've posted TikToks in it as well, so if you want to get like more of the full body experience. But I hope you guys enjoyed the first video of our redhead Halloween costumes. If you have red hair, you have to try out this costume. I think, like I said, I had high hopes and they have hit the mark. Between like this dress, the hair, everything will be linked below. This costume is going to be linked on Amazon. Of course, my clip-in bangs and the extensions are from Bellamy, as well as the hot tool. My makeup was kind of just whatever I had, so use whatever you have. Let me know if you ever dressed up as Poison Ivy or if you're going to this year, because simply obsessed. Like, oh my gosh, I love you guys. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video.